talk about this front entrance over here. Just like any other area in your home, it's pretty much the same procedure. We're going to start dusting from top to bottom, starting with the picture frame, the baseboards, getting around that door frame there, baseboards again, and just rinse and repeat all the areas. Like I said, I work in sections, so I go from left to right or whatever I feel comfortable with, and then I move to the other areas like the light fixtures, the lamps, dusting, picking up items without breaking them, you know, and then dusting, lifting up, getting underneath, and placing it back. And that's pretty much it. Dusting underneath. And this can be applied to just about any living space in your home. Now we're going to complete this area by vacuuming and mopping. Now we're going to use our wet mop. The Zep pH neutral cleaner is back. And we work our way from the front to the back. And you're probably like, wow, you're spraying the heck out of the floor. It's on a mist spray. When you're using any pH neutral cleaner, you want to make sure you're not putting a lot of moisture on hardwood. So I'm just following the lines as I clean. You just, get those spots. And just keep working my way back out of there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.